I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
Hi guys, it's your girl Monene Lynn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to Motherhood Corner, where we learn and learn every day. Today's topic, we are going to tackle advantages of using a nursing pillow when breastfeeding your baby. Previously, if you have not watched my video about correct breastfeeding position, you can check it up and give it a thumbs up. So this is what we call a nursing pillow. It's something like a wheel. Mine does not have the edges, but there are some that have a zip that makes it hold firm. So when you have your newborn or you have your baby, you will place your nursing pillow here. There's some that have a belt that hold it tight at the back to avoid it moving. And here is my sample baby. We had said in the previous video that your baby's body should be in a straight line. The head should be at the elbow level and your hand should be supporting the buttocks. As you can see, I'm not straining too much. So advantages of this pillow is your baby, most of the weight will lie on the pillow. And you'll be able to maintain the 90 degrees position, or your back is aligned, because bad breastfeeding position can cause the backbone pains or the backaches. For first time moms, maybe post CS, post SVD, you might find that in the first few months when you strain too much, you'll get those backaches, you'll get constipation because of sitting too long, you'll get so many issues about your legs, maybe swelling because of hanging them too much. When you are at this position, using a breast pillow, a nursing pillow, you can elevate your legs if your legs are swelling post delivery. So basically what what the nursing pillow does, it lifts your baby and bears the weight on top of it, so that you can get the correct position and align your back. And basically your left hand, maybe you can be using your phone. You see, when you're not using the pillow, you cannot use your phone or you cannot multitask. All you have to do is concentrate on your baby. And those, maybe you find that your babies are sweating too much, you should expose the head during breastfeeding, because in newborns, in babies less than a year, most of the hair pores is where the hair pores are. That's why you find that your baby is sweating too much during breastfeeding, because the breast milk is warm and the baby is using their muscles to ingest the breast milk. So you find them that because of that energy, the sucking reflex energy, the baby is using energy, so the hair follicles are producing sweat in response to the energy produced. So don't worry too much about the sweating, just expose the head and maybe wipe the sweat and reduce the clothing, because you need to have a correct attachment. The umbilical cord of the baby, you should be correct in touch. Your bodies should be pairing, and maybe bond with your baby, because at this position you'll find that the nose is opposite the nipple. Your baby is looking at you, so don't get used to using your phone. Basically, it's a time to bond with your baby, and this will help you because you'll be comfortable. For those babies that are breastfeeding for long hours, maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 30 minutes, and you'll have a good time to bond with your baby. You can use these, or basically carry some pieces of cloth if you cannot afford the nursing pillow. But basically, that's it about the advantages of using a nursing pillow during breastfeeding. Thank you guys. Adios.